Once upon a time, there were two best friends named Lily and Emma. They lived in a small town and did everything together. Lily had long, brown hair, while Emma had short, curly hair. They loved going on adventures and exploring new places. One day, Lily and Emma decided to have a picnic by the river. They packed sandwiches, fruits, and juice in a basket and set off. As they walked, they talked and laughed, enjoying each other's company. When they arrived at the river, they found a cozy spot under a big, shady tree. They spread out their blanket and began to eat the delicious food. The birds chirped, and the water flowed gently, creating a peaceful atmosphere. As they sat there, they talked about their dreams and shared secrets. Lily wanted to become a teacher, and Emma dreamed of becoming a veterinarian. They encouraged each other to follow their passions. After finishing their picnic, Lily and Emma decided to go for a walk along the riverbank. They spotted colorful flowers and listened to the sounds of nature. They felt happy and grateful to have each other as best friends. As the sun started to set, they made their way back home, holding hands. Lily and Emma knew that their friendship was special and that they would always be there for each other, no matter what.